Interoperability poses an incredible benefit, but also an incredible challenge. The idea is that we can leverage data to make informed decisions on the inputs and practices and activities that a grower goes through on a normal season. That requires a tremendous amount of data. It requires really data around 3 dimensions. Coverage across pretty much every arable acre of land, and this is the perfect data set that I'm thinking of. It needs to capture all of the activities, all of the farming activities that have happened on those acres, and then it needs to capture that for a historical time period, for many seasons. When you have those 3 dimensions of data, you have a comprehensive data set. In fact, the most informed data set that you can run through some of the machine learning models that are out there and some of the other AI to be able to make really powerful recommendations. And in my opinion, pretty much you add broadband to that and you could automate the entire farming process. While that's utopia, getting there is a challenge. If you think about from farm to fork, there's a whole value chain from A to B. Those companies are very much siloed that participate in each segment of that value chain. The hardware and the infrastructure, the general IT that is in place now is very siloed and prevents that. There's a lot of reasons why companies are not sharing data up and down. There's issues there to solve in interoperability. Then once you get into an individual company, there's also issues of interoperability under a single roof. There are some solutions now and organizations that are trying to set up standards to solve some of that. What I think is going to be important over the next 3 to 5 years is solving this problem from the inside out at the organizational level. So once a company gets their arms around all of the data across their departments and they've effectively achieved interoperability, they're able to create better insights as a company. And if you have all the companies in a particular segment doing that, the data exchange piece of it becomes much easier. Now it makes it easier for other segments of the value chain to also interop together. These are challenges that a lot of companies are trying to solve now. Everybody wants the best insights. They want to provide the best recommendations. But it requires a tremendous amount of data, much of which companies don't possess all under their single roof. There has to be agreements and interoperability with other companies and partnerships in order to achieve that. Once all companies are interoperable across the value chain, that's where utopia is, and that's where we're going to get by far the best recommendations that could provide tremendous outcomes, far beyond what we're thinking now.